How you guys doing, man? We're back with a new video here today. This is Exedy Racing Kit. This is a very, very nice kit, and today we're gonna have a nice unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned. We got something for you guys. What we got here is, I'm gonna go ahead and get that open. It's Christmas time, so I got a little something special for you guys. As you see, cover ready to go. Stickers in hand, okay? This is gonna be, this is for when you get the kit. Just follow the instructions there. Here we're gonna have the disc. This comes here with the disc. Everything's included. Installation instructions there. I believe, yeah, part numbers there as well. So you can check when you get the part numbers if that's applied for your vehicle. Alignment tools also included here. This is the bearing that they do include. Open it up for you guys doing the full unboxing Christmas time. That's the bearing that they include here. Okay. Then on the second level here is gonna be the pressure plate. Okay. Here's gonna be the pressure plate, guys. Take a look at that thing. I think it's real nice there. Here you're gonna have the authentication card that comes with it, okay? That's gonna come with it. Pilot bearing and the grease, okay? So this is the Exedy Racing Kit. If you have any questions for vehicle application or compatibility with your vehicle, please see the link below. Now this flywheel here, as you saw for that Exedy kit, this flywheel is compatible with that Exedy kit. Again, it is compatible with that Exedy kit and other kits that you will see on our channel.
Is that one Exedy Racing Stage 1?
Yes, that is correct. And this flywheel you can use for multiple applications. This is 54025FC, one of our chromoly steel flywheels, the forged, okay? So with this, you can use the Exedy Racing, our FX Racing, any kit that you do have, you can use the flywheel in it. As you can see, the multiple patterns here for 5 and 6 speed, and also the dowel pins will be included, okay? Any questions, again, leave comments down below. We'll be sure to answer those for you. Thank you guys for tuning in today, and I need you guys to like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and YouTube. I think also while you're doing that, you can go ahead and follow us on those particular platforms. I believe on Facebook as well. So all the social media platforms, look for Gripforce or J Turbo. Please follow us there. And you guys, what? Happy holidays. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.